chocolate brownies. Now, I have to give a shout out to Vicky Blythe Pope. Thank you for giving me this recipe. It sounds awesome. I have not made it before. This is just my first attempt. Just because I'm unorganised this week, I ain't got time for a practice. I'm just going to do it. I'm going to dive straight in. So, if it doesn't work, Vicky's to blame. First ingredient you'll need is Nutella. Now, in a moment, I say Nutella. This is Essentials chocolate hazelnut spread. I believe there is a Pam's chocolate hazelnut spread as well. Normally I don't buy this kind of stuff unless I'm putting it in a cake or in baking or something, because really, you know, the goodness of hazelnuts and all that, it is absolute junk food. But you did not click on this link because you're on a health kick, let's be honest. So we want 1 1/4 cups of this. Oh, my little finger. Half a cup of flour.
I'm gonna put that in there.
I'm gonna put that in. And we need 2 eggs.
I'll crack both of the eggs. I'll crack this one.
Okay, I will help you cracking that one. And Sam, you can crack that one. There's a lot of trust involved here. Yeah, just a little bit. Get your thumbs. That's the one. Don't crush it, just pull it apart. Right. That was a good crack.
Do it on top.
That's it, now we whiz it. Now you can put some nuts in as well. Mix up some nuts.
Ah.
Well, hold it, I'm gonna hold it. So, just getting a square tray like that. Baking paper.
So only one tray.
Yeah. They're only little because it's not the sort of thing you want to eat a lot of. Well, you might want to, but
If you see my
you shouldn't.
hand, and I've been painting and dyeing at school.
Now we're going to put that in the oven at about 180 degrees for about 25 minutes. So, let's see. Oh, look at that. That came out of the oven. I've just left it to cool for a few minutes. This smells so yummy. We'll just have a little sample each because it's not long before dinner and Olivia is a bit crook, so I might just save most of it for tomorrow. So. Ooh, that feels soft. Oh, that's going to be yours, is it? You're going to go with all of it.
Awesome! Awesome!
Oh, yum! A little bit burnt on the bottom. I did burn it on the bottom a bit. Maybe just put it a bit higher in the oven. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Vicky. That is so... Mine.
No.
Mine.
No.
That's so good. Do it, people. It feels as though it needs a blob of cream or ice cream or something. We don't have any of that.
Think I'll buy some, maybe.
You go buy some, matey. There's the car keys. Go on, off you go. Go buy me some ice cream. That is so good. Can we be rid of the balloon, please, Aston?
That's a party.
It's not a party.
Yes, it is. It's a party.
It's not a party. Go on. Get rid of the balloon.
You mean it's a party?
You go have a party in the lounge. You can join this party without a balloon.
Can I lick your fingers?
You may not lick my finger. Ooh. You don't know where my fingers have been.
No. Like this.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Yes.
No.
Yes.
Hang on, there's a hair in it. I think it to be a hair in it.
Dirty little bit.
It'd help if I plugged it in.
This bit is yours, but all of this is mine.